Dear viewers, in today's video you can know about some web analytics tools, which will help you a lot. So watch the video till the end. And like, comment and subscribe our channel. To know about affiliate marketing tools, please check the I button. Before starting today's video, we would like to inform you that if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do like, comment, subscribe and press the bell button. So let's start. If you want to make sure that you are getting the best from your online marketing, it is important to track and measure it. This can be done using web analytics software. Web analytics software tracks and reports on the data that is generated by a website. It allows you to analyze the performance of the website. Web analytics is an extremely useful tool. You need it if you want to improve your website and its performance. It can be helpful in deciding whether a new marketing campaign is working and which of the existing campaigns is producing the best results. It can help you identify the most effective marketing methods. If you are using a paid advertising service, you can check the performance of your advertisements. Some web analytics tools which will help you to grow your business. Google Analytics. If you want to see how your site is doing, you can use Google Analytics. It will give you an insight into the performance of your website. It also gives you an opportunity to analyze the data you have gathered and make changes to improve the traffic flow. You can use it to see where your traffic is coming from and the path it is taking. You can also use this software to find out which channel is bringing in the most visitors to your site. It helps you to make changes that will help your website get more traffic. You can also use it to improve your conversion rates. Clicky. Clicky is known for providing more detail per interface than Google Analytics. It's extremely easy to use, provides data such as Google organic search rankings and video analytics, and provides a detailed view of every individual's activity on the site. Clicky is unique among analytics packages in allowing you to track dynamic goals that do not need to be predefined. In addition, an on-site widget displays real-time visitor and heat map information to logged-in users. Kissmetrics. Kissmetrics is a tool to track how users behave on your website, but unlike Google Analytics, Kissmetrics is centered on real-time data. Another differentiator between the two is Google Analytics shows isolated actions, whereas Kissmetrics shows behavior of individual site visitors and groups of visitors over time, connecting their respective sessions of activity across devices and time. It's the difference between analyzing aggregate sets of data versus understanding individual people or audience segments. Kissmetrics is especially useful for SaaS, e-commerce, and mobile web apps. Woopra. Woopra offers comprehensive profiles for every single user, allowing you to sync all of your customer data and track their activity in real time. This enables you to track activity not only from your website and mobile app, but also from your other touchpoints, such as email, help desk, and live chat. So, today we know about some web analytics tools. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. If you think this video is informative, then please press the like button. Let us know in the comments which topic you want to watch next. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.